Guys, welcome back to the beauty room for another video. It's your girl Alicia, and today is Fab Finds Friday, so I have a Disney Fab Finds video haul for you today. So let's get into it. So if you haven't seen the last video of me traveling to Disney, go check that out also. But right now we're gonna get into all the stuff I got at Disney parks while I was there. I got my natural hair I'm rocking today. I like the braids, but I miss my natural hair. So let's get into this video, shall we? So I do have a Wishables unboxing that I will also do with you guys. But the first thing I wanted to show you, which is my favorite find from the Epcot parks, was this popcorn bucket. My favorite. It's like a Mickey balloon popcorn bucket. You can put your popcorn in here or not. I chose not to because I didn't want to come home with all this popcorn flakes in my bucket, okay? So I chose not to put it inside, but it's super cute. You can actually wear it like a bag if you want to, like a crossbody. It actually fits like a crossbody, or you can just rock it almost like a purse, you know? Super duper cute, love it. And you can put your popcorn in there. So this was like my favorite Disney purchase that I got at the Epcot parks when I was there. It cost $12 for this, and then I think it's like $5 or something, or $3 for the popcorn. So next time I will tell them I don't want the popcorn, I just want the bucket, because that extra $5 for the popcorn was kind of not thrifty. But anyway, he's too cute, so I had to grab it. All right. So I also grabbed some like Mickey Rice Krispie treats, but of course they didn't make it to the video because I ate them all up, so you ain't gonna see those. But I did get a Wishables, grabbed one of the Wishables because I know everyone's into these, and I saw them and I thought they were super duper cute, and I rocked a Jasmine shirt to the park. So of course I wanted to see if I can get Jasmine, you know. So on this one you can either have Aladdin. Okay, you can get Jasmine, you could get the lamp, or you can get the carpet, okay? And so it's like a little mystery package, so you don't know what you're gonna get, and you have to like feel them up. They make it squeezable packages so you can squeeze them up. Now I squeezed the mess out of this thing, and it felt like Jasmine to me, okay? So listen, we got to open this up together and find out what your girl got, because you know I wanted the Jasmine. I think the Genie is like a bonus one. You can just buy him outside of the package if you want him. These things cost like $10, okay? So your girl was only trying to buy one. And let's see if I was lucky enough to get the one that I got. So we're gonna do this together, okay? Emotional support, guys. So we're gonna do it together, so let's find out. So you just tear it like right here. So we're going for Jasmine, okay? Everybody think Jasmine, okay? Because that's what I want. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna let y'all see first. I'm gonna let you see first. Guys, I'm gonna let you see first. Is it Jasmine? Tell me. Tell me in the comments, is it Jasmine? Did I get the girl I want? Yes, it's Jasmine, y'all. Let's go. So squeezing is worth it. Look at her. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Look at her little eyes. Yes, guys, I got the one that I wanted. I'm so happy. I felt the mess. I'm telling you, I felt the mess of this bag, and it felt like Jasmine, okay? The key was Aladdin has that little red hat on him. So if you can feel the red hat on it, you know, and the little arms and legs, you know that it's Aladdin. But if you feel a figure with arms and legs and no hat on the top, and you can kind of feel like her little bumpy part like here, which is her hair, then you know it's Jasmine. The lamp, you know, you could probably feel a handle, and the carpet just would be like a square. Yes, guys, your girl went for the win, okay? I'm a gangster. I felt it out. I used all my wits, and I got Jasmine, so I got the one that I want. I'm super excited. She's so cute. I'm pumped, y'all. Let's go. Let's go, okay? All right, so those are the things that I got from the parks. Like I said, I got the Rice Krispie treats, ate them all up, gave some to my kids, they loved them, and those are gone. But I also went to the Disney outlet, and I also went to Marshall's and grabbed some Disney kitchen items. So I want to show those with you too. So let's get into that. So I went to the outlet and I grabbed this Sweet Beast doll, okay? He's fire. Look at him. Beast figurine, and they had him for $3.98. What? How you gonna do my man like that? How you gonna do my man like that, okay? I love Beauty and the Beast, and I'll always love the Beast. He was my dude, okay? And they got him for $3.98. Super great, brand new in the packaging, super cute. Grabbed him. That was an awesome, awesome steal. Might be find of the day. Next, I saw everyone talking about these leggings. So I found the leggings at the Disney outlet. Super excited about. These are the Goofy Movie Powerline leggings. They're kind of like vintage looking, super cute, retro looking, if you will. They're like the retro Mickey, retro Disney stuff. These were $39.99 originally. They marked them down to $12.99, and your girl snatched them for $8. Let's go. Let's go. So your girl grabbed them, got them, you know what I'm saying? You remember that Goofy movie when they're like, so mine is the only face that you'll see. I'm gonna stand out till you notice me. And I got the leggings, yo. Let's go. You gonna notice me in these because these are fire, okay? So definitely rocking these. Cannot wait. Put those aside. So the next thing I grabbed at the outlet was, I've been looking for this forever, an Alex and Annie bracelet at the outlet. Let's go. They had it in Toy Story. Listen, I didn't care what kind they had. I didn't care which one they had, because our, you know, this outlet, when you go to the Disney outlet, they hardly ever have the Alex and Annie's. And when they do, you grab them. You don't question, you just get it, okay? So it was meant to be, so I grabbed this one. It's, like I said, it's a Toy Story Alex and Annie. I can't wait to wear it. Super cute. Now, this was marked down to $40. It's originally $79.99. Let's go. Your girl grabbed it, and she's going to rock the mess out of this, okay? Because I like Toy Story. Okay, so grab that. Next, they still had some of the Christmas masks, and your girl is the thrifter, okay? She's the thrift chick. So I went ahead and grabbed a Disney mask. It's still a Christmas one, but it says Joy on it, and it says it has Minnie Mouse on it. I figured you probably could still get away with it for $1. Yes, please. For $1? I think I can finesse it for $1, okay? So, I mean, I wanted to open it and see. I don't know if it's gonna let me open it and be a G on camera. Oh, okay. Your girl's got muscles. Come on, muscles. Alright, so yeah, it says Joy on it. It is Christmassy looking. It has Minnie Mouse. But I was like, shoot. Disney gives me joy every day, so I could probably wear it every day. Now, they had it in the extra large, but you guys know I do wear a N95 under all my masks for double safety. So it will fit perfectly over that, so it's fine. So yeah, $1. Okay, perfect. And then I got this t-shirt. It says, park hop till you drop, with my boy Tigger on the front, you know what I'm saying? And it was only $2.98, okay? Thrifting at Disney, let's go! Okay, now it was $19.99 originally, and I only paid $2.98. Your girl was trying to save them coins. And I'm a park hop till I drop, let's go. It actually matches. I could actually wear this as a set if I wanted to, together with the park line, with the, what's it called? With the power line leggings, and this, like, it kind of matches, but I can't show y'all. Oh, there we go. To do a try on haul for you guys, I guess. But anyway, so that kind of matches. I could kind of wear that together. So the last thing I want to show you is from Marshall's, and it is some kitchen items that I found at Marshall's, and they're also Disney. Let's go. I was in a Disney state of mind, and I needed some kitchen stuff, so why not get some cute Disney stuff? Let's go. So, and I told y'all Marshall's has been hitting it hard this year, so every time I go in there I find something fly. So first I went in there, I found this one. Actually no, I went to Home Goods first and found this one. This is the Winnie the Pooh kitchen dish drying mat. Okay, and it's lined with yellow because my kitchen has yellow in it, and my kitchen is yellow and gray. So this is like perfect, and it has like little pops of Winnie the Pooh characters on it, little Tigger. So I just talked about my boy Tigger and Pooh. So cute. And then it came with a rack for $9.99, and I grabbed this one from Home Goods, okay? Which I thought, okay, the little rack is handy. Look, a little photo. That's what got me. I was like, the rack is handy. You can put it on your mat, put it on your kitchen, little Papa Disney in the corner. Super duper dope. Loved it. So then I went to Marshall's and found, why did I go to Marshall's and find the same mat for $6? $6, you guys. And this one was $10. But this one comes with a rack, drying rack, and this one does not. But I figured I have a lot of dishes, so I can either have both these mats out when I'm doing the dishes and dry them both, or I can alternate. So like when this one's dirty, I can have this one out. So for $6, I went ahead and grabbed this one too. There's nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't come with a rack. So let's go to Disney kitchen dish drying mats. I can't wait to put these in the kitchen. It's gonna look so cute. Let's go. All right, so then I also found this. It's called a Mickey Mouse trivet. Now, why did I have to go on my phone and look up what a trivet is? And in my head, I was like, I think that's a hot pot holder, but who says trivet? Who says trivet? Somebody tell me. Anyway, it's a silicone trivet, okay? And it's Mickey Mouse shaped with little hidden Mickeys inside. Let's go. And it's just for hot pots. I thought it would look super duper cute in the kitchen, just on the counter. And you know, when you pull something hot out the oven, bada bing, bada boom, it's sitting right there. And then when you're not using it, it's just gonna be cute Disney decor in your kitchen. Let's go. Had to do it. Had to do it. Super cute. Let's go. All right. And then the last thing I'm gonna show you of my Disney haul, I had to go and get the matching Winnie the Pooh oven mitts. Okay, come on now. Ain't that cute? Come on now. Tell me. Ain't that cute? Let's go. So I'm going to have the drying mat over there by the sink. And then I'm going to have the little pot holders, you know, clipping onto my oven. So cute. Loved it. Loved all the Disneyana. Loved my time in Disney. Loved my Disney trip. I hope you loved my Disney haul. If you did, go ahead and subscribe down below for future haul videos and future Fab Find Fridays. And I will see you in the future. Go out and find your inner glow, find your inner joy that makes you happy, and share it with others like I did. And I'll see you in the future. Bye.